Welcome back to the Block Analyst, where we break down crypto markets with clean data and zero hype. Today's episode, a data-driven look at altcoins versus Bitcoin using CryptoQuant. And yes, we'll confront the question everyone keeps asking, is Altseason even happening this cycle? If you're new here, CryptoQuant is an on-chain analytics platform. It doesn't just chart prices, it aggregates blockchain native data, exchange reserves, whale flows, miner behavior, stablecoin liquidity, and cross-asset performance. This gives you a behind-the-scenes view of market structure, where coins are moving, who is accumulating, and how capital is rotating across the crypto stack. In short, it's a toolkit to understand flows and behavior, not just candles. We're focusing on a comparative performance chart that tracks market cap growth rates across 3 buckets. Orange is Bitcoin. Purple is large caps, top 20, excluding BTC. Green is mid and small caps. Keep these colors in mind. I'll reference them as we read the chart. Here's what the lines are telling us. The orange line, BTC, has led most of this cycle, consistently staying above both purple and green. The only period resembling a classic alt season came in early 2024, when the green line briefly outpaced BTC. Mid and small caps ran hotter than BTC, but only for a short window. A second attempt appeared in late 2024 into early 2025, but notice how orange quickly reclaimed leadership. That suggests capital didn't rotate for long or rotated selectively before snapping back into Bitcoin. One analyst summed this up perfectly. Comparing BTC, the top 20, and mid and small caps reveals the weakest altcoin performance of this cycle so far. The only move resembling a true alt season came in early 2024 when mid and small caps briefly outpaced BTC. A second wave emerged in late 2024 into early 2025, but BTC kept its lead. So why is orange, BTC, still king? A few possibilities. Dominance extension. Institutions and conservative capital favor BTC's liquidity and regulatory clarity, extending BTC's leadership phase longer than previous cycles. Macro caution. With shifting interest rates and liquidity conditions, allocators prefer Bitcoin as the reserve asset of crypto rather than venturing deep into risk. Delayed rotation. A broad alt season typically requires BTC to cool off and go sideways. Without that consolidation, alt rallies are short-lived and choppy. Sector-selective pumps. Instead of a blanket alt season, we've seen isolated surges. AI, gaming, L2s, RWA. The green line pops, but never long enough to redefine the cycle. Bottom line, the structure so far is BTC-led with brief alt impulses, not a sustained alt season. From here, I see 3 realistic paths. Scenario A, extended BTC leadership. Orange stays on top. Purple and green grind but never sustain leadership. Signals. BTC dominance rises. Alt dominance fails to break higher. Stablecoin inflows prefer BTC pairs. Scenario B, delayed, broad rotation. After a strong BTC leg, price ranges, dominance stalls, and capital rotates into purple, then green. Signals. BTC goes sideways on higher timeframes. Alt volume and market cap growth outpace BTC for weeks, not days. Scenario C, thematic mini-seasons. No full alt season, instead thematic waves. AI, gaming, L2s, RWA, with sharp but short outperformance in green and purple. Signals, high turnover rotations, narrative catalysts, quick mean reversions. Key metrics to monitor. BTC dominance versus total 3, total 2 trends. Stablecoin net inflows to exchanges. Relative strength. Do purple and green hold leadership for weeks? Breadth, percent of alts making higher highs or lows versus BTC. Quick reminder, everything in this video is analysis, not financial advice. Markets change fast. Always use risk management, set invalidation levels, and do your own research before taking any position. So, will we finally get a true alt season, with green and purple holding above orange? Or does Bitcoin keep the crown this cycle? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this breakdown helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. More data-driven crypto insights coming up right here on the Block Analyst.